Yo, baby, let me take you over here to,
Hey, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all okay? Okay, great. So, today, you guys, I am bringing you all a collab with the one and the only Zeelool. And I just want to say thank you to Zeelool for reaching out to me and wanting to collab with me to show you guys their beautiful frames. Now, some of you guys may know this about me, and some of you may not, but y'all, I can't see. Your girl has to wear glasses. It's either glasses or contacts for me. But most of the time I'm a glasses type girl because I don't like fooling with putting stuff in my eye. My eye's too big for me to be messing around poking them out, and and plus my nails are long. Not saying I don't know how to take out long nails with contacts, but still, I'm a glasses girl through and through. So Zeelool reached out to me to send me some glasses to try on for you guys. And each pair of the glasses did come with its own personal lens cloth, which I really love. And they each come in this beautiful and sturdy carrying pouch. And it's like a little velvety material, sort of similar to the lens cloth material, but it's a soft material so that your glasses aren't getting scratched up. And me personally, I did get my glasses that they sent over with the prescription in them, and y'all, spot on. I was a little nervous that they wasn't going to get it right, but they got my prescription correct. And these glasses also have a blue light filter blocking in them because I am sitting on a computer most of the day for my 9 to 5, my regular 9 to 5. And then, of course, with my editing, my content for you guys, I need blue light blocking. So that's what is included on these glasses. So I'm going to shut up and I'm going to go through with trying on each pair of glasses. I wonder if y'all can tell that these are my favorite pair. These glasses right here are unlike any that I've seen before. While I love each and every pair of glasses that I tried on and each and every pair that Zeelool sent to me, these, baby, oh my goodness. I feel like you can't tell me nothing with this particular set on. Each pair of glasses are very comfortable. They fit perfectly on the sides of my face, and I was a little nervous about that because I do have a rather large head. I do have a Georgia dome, but I was a little nervous about whether or not the glasses were going to fit correctly. The glasses fit beautifully. Like I said, my prescription is in each glass and it's correct. So as I'm filming this video right now with my glasses on, y'all, I'm able to see y'all 2020, and I also know that it has the blue light blocking on. So once I go and edit this video later, eyes will be protected. So yes, you guys, I will go ahead and leave my code right here so you guys can get some money off. Y'all know I like to give y'all the sales and give y'all the deals. So I want to make sure I give y'all some money off of these glasses. And when I say they are completely worth it, y'all, my eye doctor is only going to be seeing me just for my eye exams. I am not getting any more frames from the eye doctor because these, I love them so much. They're stylish, they're affordable. Let's get into it. They're stylish, they're affordable, and they are completely worth it. These do not feel cheap, they do not feel flimsy, and I am just in awe. And again, these are my favorite pair. So again, I just want to say thank you to Zeelool for sending me over these beautiful glasses to review for you guys. Again, make sure that you use my code at checkout to get you some money off. I'm going to also leave the code down below in the description box, as well as the link to Zeelool so that you can get your pair of glasses now. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for coming through and watching my videos. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. And also, tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm on YouTube and I make content. And also tell a friend to get these glasses from Zeelool. You won't be disappointed. Okay, peace.
Looking at your body, God is Aphrodite.